I just wanted to give some tips to people that might be struggling on their weight loss program. If you're doing the program that I did, that I lost my 95 pounds in 8 months on, and I'm your health coach, and you're not taking advantage of me, that's a problem. If you're wondering why you're failing and we're not talking at least a couple times a week, that's probably a problem. If you need that support, and this is unlike anything you've ever done before because you have somebody that's there to talk to you, but you're not using it, kind of a problem. If you write me and you're all excited and you get pumped up and you order something and then you don't talk to me, kind of a problem. I'm here for you. You have my cell phone number. Please text me. If I write you an email, email me back. If you're more of an emailer or you don't want contact, that's totally fine. Please just tell me that. But don't blame the program for failure if you're not taking advantage of all of the resources that it has to offer. If I'm your health coach, let me coach you, or just let me help you, or let me answer your questions when you have questions. Donna, this awesome client that I have, every question, she's on it. She texts me all the time. Carrie, great example. Alex, perfect example. Ashley, aka Nikki, great example. All these people are right on it. Jeremy and Nicole, husband and wife team in Utah, dude, they are rocking it. But do you know what they do? They text me like every day. They text me updates. They text me questions. If they have questions on anything, they ask me. And I love it because they're doing so well. Jeremy's gone down like 4 pant sizes. He's been on it not even a month. It's been absolutely crazy. This guy's like flown through it. His confidence is like back through the roof. He's the lowest weight he's been in 12 years. Give me a break. What's the difference? All these people that are succeeding and doing absolutely awesome are totally shoved in my back pocket, and they are talking to me all the time. It's not like, oh, I'm so awesome, I'm going to keep you on your stuff. No, it's the fact that you're being held accountable to somebody. It's the fact that you feel like Big Brother's watching, which I'm not going to sit here and yell at you if you screw up. Big deal. You're human. People are going to screw up. Facts are, if you feel like somebody cares, which I do, I honestly care about your health. I honestly care about you reaching your goals. I want to be there to celebrate with you. If you have something, some huge milestone that happens, and you don't even tell me about it, my feelings are going to be hurt. So I want to know. If I'm your health coach and I don't know you, we haven't had any health or any conversations, that makes me sad. Please contact me. I want to be a part of this journey with you. If you don't want me to be, okay. But I'd really like it if you would let me. Or at least text me every once in a while and tell me how you're doing. Or if you have questions or you need a lean and green meal idea, please just contact me and tell me something. Anything. When people stay away from me and they're hiding, it typically means that there's a problem. It either means that they don't think that they can do it, or they quit, or they've fallen off or something like this and they can't get back up. If you want my help, I'm here for you. Please use me. Use me, use me, use me, use me, use me. It's not that hard. Just text me. Send me a text. Hey, Christina, it's so-and-so. I'm having a hard time today. I'm struggling getting my water in. I need a lean and green idea. And I will answer your questions. So, if you want some help, please write me. If you don't want some help, that's fine too. But the people that want the help, that are getting the help, that are using the help, that are texting me, that are on the Monitor Your Weight app, that are synced with me, that I can see every day, that are in my private Facebook group, that we're talking all the time, those are the ones that are succeeding like crazy. I'd love to put you in my back pocket and have you succeed right along with those people. You gotta contact me. My name's Christina Ray. I'm a Take Shape for Life health coach. I lost 95 pounds in a little less than 8 months. I would love to help you do the same thing, but you gotta contact me. My contact information is below.